ठीक। तो हम लोग देखे हैं सीपीएम क्या होता है, पार्ट क्या होता है, सीपीएम में फ्लोट क्या होता है ना। टाइम इन सीपीएम भी देख चुके हैं, कैसा ना। आज हम लोग देखेंगे डिफरेंस, है ना। सीपीएम एंड पार्ट में छोटा सा टॉपिक बचा हुआ था जिसको आज कवर कर लेंगे। तो सीपीएम एंड पार्ट में क्या डिफरेंस है, सब हेडिंग दीजिए। डिफरेंस बिटवीन सीपीएम एंड पार्ट, डिफरेंस बिटवीन पार्ट एंड सीपीएम, पार्ट एंड सीपीएम किसके दरमियान में डिफरेंस है, डिफरेंस बिटवीन पार्ट एंड सीपीएम, है ना। तो सबसे पहले पार्ट इस तरफ लिखते हैं, है ना, पार्ट, और इस तरफ सीपीएम, क्या होता है पार्ट, क्या होता है सीपीएम, क्या होता है पार्ट, क्या होता है सीपीएम। बोलिए क्या होता है इसका फुल फॉर्म, ऑलरेडी बता चुके हैं। क्या है ये, एक प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट है जो एड करता है पूरा मैनेज करने के लिए, है ना, पूरा प्रोजेक्ट को मैनेज करने के लिए, जिसमें एलिमेंट होता है, क्या क्या एलिमेंट होता है बोलिए। तीन एलिमेंट बताए थे ना, प्लानिंग, शेड्यूलिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग, है ना। उसी को क्या बोलते हैं, सीपीएम बोलते हैं। यस। पार्ट क्या है बोलिए, क्या पार्ट क्या होता है। पार्ट इज द न्यूमेरिकल टेक्निक यूज्ड इन द प्रोजेक्ट्स in which time cannot be estimated accurately, such as research and development projects. It is an event-oriented network, and in part, cost is assumed to be directly proportional to time. So part is more realistic than the CPM. So here is the full form of part. PERT, Program Evaluation and Review Technique. We can write Program Evaluation and Review Technique. In CPM, what is the full form of CPM? Yes, I have already taught you. It is critical path method. CPM is critical path method. PART is used for new type of project, where CPM is used for repetitive type of work, such as construction work in civil engineering. PART is the probabilistic approach, and CPM is the deterministic approach. It has deterministic approach in CPM. In part it is event oriented network, and CPM is an activity oriented network. Activity oriented network. So you can remember PERT, E for event. So it is event oriented, and CPM, whichever is left, so activity oriented in CPM. So you can, it is very important because many times it asks in SSCJE and other examination. So part is event oriented and CPM is activity oriented. So here you will remember the differences in part and CPM. In part, select concept is used. In CPM, float concept is used. So here is the difference: select concept in part, float concept in CPM. In part, three types of estimate times are estimated on the basis of which an expected time t is derived. And CPM only one time is estimated or calculated, that is activity duration. Only one time estimated in CPM and three times are estimated in part. So remember, three times it is the three times estimated are made in part are optimistic time, pessimistic time and most likely time. So how we will calculate? T naught plus 4Tm plus Tp by 6. T is optimistic time, T is T naught is optimistic time, Tm is most likely time and Tp is pessimistic time divided by 6. Part is used in newer type of project which have not been performed in the past and not exact assessment of time and cost are available. Example is research work, launching of a spacecraft, aircraft, development of missile program and so on, etc. In CPM, it is a repetitive type of work where time and cost can be evaluated with fair degree of accuracy, such as construction work, maintenance work, and civil engineering project or work. So critical path example, method example is repetitive type work, construction work, mean such as making the building, constructing the building, maintaining work, etc. in civil engineering. So remember these differences is very important. It asks in various exam. So remember this part and CPM differences. In CPM, repetitive type work. In part, new type of project. So remember it, the example of part and CPM. So thank you very much. Note it down. Is there any problem? Yes, ask. Okay. Note it down.